We are going to look at the point slope form of a line. It is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Not to be confused with the slope intercept, y equals mx plus b, or the standard form ax plus by equals c. Those are all different, but different ways of having a line. Write an equation in point slope form that passes through the point -6, 1 with a slope of 2 over 3, 2/3. So this is my m is still slope, and then I want to go through the -6 and 1. So I will just plug in the -6 and 1 into the proper spots. Y minus y1 would be this 1 here, equals, put a 2/3 in the m, you plug in 2/3 there, x minus, and then the x1 would be this -6. Now, the only thing we need to do at this point is just tidy up the x minus -6. Since it's a minus and negative, we would add the opposite, and you would have y minus 1 equals 2/3 x plus 6 as your final answer. Then, you could have to take a chart and find the slope yourself, put it in the point slope form, and then turn it into slope intercept form. So let me show you one of those. Take any two of these ordered pairs and find your slope. It's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this ordered pair is like 2, 4 and 5, -2. And it may help you to label them x1, y1, x2, y2, just so you put the numbers in the correct spot. So we have for the numerator, -2 minus 4. I'm going to use my template so I don't forget there's minuses in the formula. So -2, and then a 4. And then on the denominator, x2 and x1 is 5 and 2. If I had not made the template, I may have forgotten that minus that was already there, and it would mess up my answer. So -2 minus 4, when I add the opposite, I get -6. And on the bottom, 5 minus 2 is 3. And -6 divided by 3 is -2. So now I know my m. I'm going to pick either one of these numbers, it doesn't matter which one I use, and put it into a point slope form. So here's point slope next. I'm going to make the template. Y minus, leave a blank, equals, leave a blank, parentheses, x minus, leave a blank. So I've taken this and I've just left the y1m and x1 blank so I can plug the numbers in. And I believe I'm going to use the 2, 4. But it doesn't matter which one I use. So that will be my x1 and this will be my y1. So y minus y1 would be 4. Sometimes I'll point at these things just to kind of show you, if you're looking back at your notes, where to put them. My m, my slope, was the -2, and then my x1 is this 2. So I have the point slope form now. There's no tidying up to do to this problem, but if I want to turn it into slope intercept, I have to do one more thing. Remember, slope intercept is y equals mx plus b. And it's pretty easy to do that. We're going to distribute. I'm going to continue working with this problem. And we have y minus 4 equals -2 times x is -2x. And -2 to -2 is a +4. Okay? Now, to make it look like this, I need that -4 on this side. So I will add 4, since that's the opposite operation, under the 4. And then I have to add 4 to the right side. Whatever you do to the left side, you have to do to the right side. So y equals -2x plus 8 is my final answer in slope intercept form.